have dirty sneakers? Well, I'm going to show you how you can get them looking new again. From this to this. With the help of a magic eraser. Just give it a little bit of water. With your damp magic eraser, simply start scrubbing. It doesn't require a ton of pressure. If you do give it too much pressure, it starts falling apart. But you can see, even with that light pressure, you can see how much black stuff is already coming off. So I'm just going to keep on doing this. If your eraser dries out too much, you can just hit it with a little more water. It's already making a big difference. So the way the magic eraser works is that it's just a fine abrasive material, sort of like a very light sandpaper. You can use these things for all sorts of purposes, but I found that it really does a great job with sneakers, making them look much newer than they actually are. Now this white is getting so bright already, I think I have to get my sunglasses on. Ah, yes. This is looking great. It really is like getting a new pair of sneakers. Honestly, I was embarrassed to wear these around. They were so dirty, so gray. It makes a huge difference. It makes a big, big difference. You're gonna feel like you have brand new sneakers. People are gonna be like, did you get new sneakers? And you're gonna say, nope. Wow! Alright, I think you get the idea. So, this took all of, 5 minutes, maybe. And it's like having brand new sneakers. Look at that. And that's how you can get your sneakers, at least the white part of your sneakers, looking nearly brand new using a magic eraser. If you want to buy a magic eraser, I've got a link down below directly to Amazon